Wow, look guys, moth. Guess what? These things are domesticated, but this one is a wild one. No, I I kind of want to get it. What should I do? um, yeah, 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 what do you think you're going to do, huh?